Vivo V25 Pro. This is 120Hz 3D curved, 6.56 inches AMOLED display with HDR10 plus 1300 nits and a resolution of 1080 into 2376 pixels. Its weight is round about 190 grams. It comes in two colors, sailing blue and pure black. Vivo V25 Pro has two memory options, 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage and 12GB of RAM. With UFS 3.1, the color-changing technology fluoride glass design. Experience blue hues from a clear sky to the deep sea. With 4 cameras, multiple sensors, and autofocus technology, capture any moment with clarity. 64-megapixel OIS night camera, 8-megapixel super wide-angle camera, 2-megapixel super macro camera, 32-megapixel selfie camera. Vivo V25 Pro has 32-megapixel IAF selfie video. Vivo V25 Pro has an optical image stabilization technology. Through this you can take super night portrait photos, bokeh flare portrait. You can make optical image stabilization night video also. The Mediatek Dimensity 1300 is a multitasking powerhouse 5G chipset with responses at lightning speed. Extended RAM 3.0 offers you up to 8 gigabits of additional RAM to keep the app that you need active in the background and let you switch between them with ease. Flagship 4830 mAh battery powers through whether it's gaming, scrolling social media, or a photo shoot around your city. With 66-watt flash charge, you'll only need 30 minutes to charge the phone to 71%. Smart Charging Engine determines the optimal charging strategy, whether on, off, or plugged in. It reduces heat generated during charging, which in turn extends your battery lifespan. High-speed LPDDR4X RAM and ROM plus UFS deep defragmentation all add up to give you faster performance. Feast your ears to an all-round audio enhancement feature upgrade that transports you to the sounds of your heart. We hope you enjoyed today's show. Like the video, press the bell icon for upcoming video notifications, and enjoy next video of ours.